Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. So today, this waterfall chasing is supposed to be in a kind of a local park in Monrovia. So we are still traveling on Interstate 210, which is the same freeway that I've been using to do the other two waterfall. As you can see, we'll come up to the next exits. So we are gonna exit on Mountain exit coming up here after this one. Once you get off the exit, you're gonna take the right. Then you're gonna continue on until I believe you see the first stop sign. You just turn left, and then we're probably gonna do it a little bit right. Right now we're pretty much in residential area the whole time. Even once you get to the waterfall, we are still in the residential area. Very interesting. Yeah, this whole drive is 25 miles per hour. This is a nice residential area. Look at all the palm tree on the left there. So once we come up to the next stop sign and we turn right, and that's pretty much it. We are there, almost there to the park. I forgot the name of the park, but I will show you once we get there. It's now 7:50, so I'm not sure if they're gonna open up. We'll see. Well, since there's a lot of rain going on in California lately, so I guess the ground is kind of loose, so they don't allow us to go up. Fall should be up there. So I'm just gonna take the trail, hiking along the trail, and see where this goes. Yeah, let's see how far this goes. Got some blooming going on over here. Different color. Yeah, there's a lot of blooming going on. Wow, look at this guy. It's a lot of blooming going on here. Well, this is as good as you get a little waterfall, man-made. There's a couple of them along that flood control there. Oh well, look like it's another failed attempt today. But I'm gonna enjoy my hike along this trail. I don't know where this trail is gonna take me, so I'm gonna keep hiking. See how far it takes me. I know my car is parked up there somewhere. We're gonna see. So there are entrances to the trail on the side of the flood control canal. I was on that side. I'm gonna go along this side and see what kind of flower I can find. Well, never mind. There's no access to this side. And plus this sign right here. No thank you. Alright, in case you're wondering, this is called, what is it? I swear I saw it. Oh, Saw Pit Wash Trail. I just came from there. Alright, so instead of walking on the street, I'm gonna walk back this way. Can you hear all the birds? Looks like it's a residential area. That's a nice neighborhood. And the fall's way up there, not too far. So I'm gonna walk back this way. We're gonna go uphill, so might as well enjoy nature, right? Well, I'm back to on the trail, so there's a reason why I'm going back this way. I will show you when I get up to the top of the hill. Oh, there it is. No entry. This road and trail site is closed because there's a widespread fire damage. So, not so lucky today. Oh well, I will try another day. But I will give you a waterfall. Well, this is the best I can do with tiny waterfall. There's 3 of them. Alright, so I'm back to my vehicle. Was it a fail? Yes and no, because I'm gonna let you in the secret. I've been kind of trying to train myself for backpacking. So I've been carrying a backpack, 15-pound backpack. Eventually I'm gonna increase it up to 25 pounds, which should allow me to carry gear that I need for backpacking. Alright, so I did enjoy the hike a little bit. You know, walking, get the lung working. Alright, I catch you on the next video. Hopefully the next one I will get, I think I have one that for sure it will, since it's raining, I guarantee it's gonna have a waterfall.